We don't come back and we did here with the amazing Themzy or Sadibe. She say, correct yourself. My name is Themzy. It's okay. It's okay. How you doing?
I did all right.
Correct. You good. Prepare, you just be smart since. Oh, yeah, ladies first. Go ahead.
Nah, her pidgin English.
It's
Nah, just
okay.
you know, she speak with soft touch.
No, it's okay. How on a refined pidgin? Island pidgin.
That's why you talk on a normal day.
On a normal
you
day,
vex.
my pidgin, I dey try small because my pidgin no dey too good like that.
Okay.
We go refine am for you. We go make am done.
I don dey learn since I don enter Nigeria.
You good.
All right. So a lot of people, most times when they see artists, them, you know, they do well. We know they know say if they people when they cook them, they manage them, when they make sure say to bring out that thing where they see inside of them, like people who write their songs, like people they produce them, like people where they promote them, to bring them to our face to see. How challenging a day for a woman today to fit in for that position to use manage an artist or to use promote an artist?
From my own experience, I go say the real truth. I don't start since I 17. I meet a Ghanaian artist. Okay. So I was like, Belgium born, Belgium based. So I said, this guy, which kind of music they do? Let's try Afrobeat because you know, if you they live for abroad, you go they used to all this American music.
Kind of sound, yeah.
That was like 10 years ago, you understand? So when I first started, everyone was like, this one, she just want party, leave her. You know, they're serious. But then I now understand, say, wait, I got to prove that I can deliver the job. And that's the challenge about being a female in the industry, because all like guys, they feel use mouth get there. But if you are a woman, you know, if you just use mouth get there, you got to prove, okay, I've done this, that.
Yeah.
Like for my artist now, when I first start, I don't even know much. I just had background of media, public relations.
Okay.
So I said, okay, let me learn PR. So I learned how you do press kits, the American way. So I started to spend.
So you do a course on them?
No, I learned by myself, but obviously I'm a media student.
Okay, so you just
I
get
don't
that
understand how, because I did media production.
Okay.
So I don't understand how behind the scenes, mainly movies. So music, na new thing, but I said, okay, let me learn. So I started with learning how to do press kits for artists. Then you now learn that, marketing too, did the whole strategy. No be say the artist go just sing song, you go just post them online. You got to know how to submit for TV. Which kind of format TV go accept as an artist manager. But whether you be man or woman, you have to know this
idea, yes.
I beg on my pidgin.
No, enjoy. We feel you, they go.
Communication, they take place.
They enter.
So as I now start to realize that, okay, women, we are not seen as serious. If we call person, say, I'm this person's manager, they say, fine girl. How are you? So instead of me, they realize, say, this person sabi the work
professional, yeah.
They're gonna say, all these men, they will not be teaching you some things where you don't sabi already, because they believe, say, you know sabi what they do. So as time goes, they grow myself into PR. I started to follow my artists, God is Denmark, Holland, Paris, opening up for other people. Like, it opened up for Tiger at a point. So opening up for other people. So as in they do that kind of thing, me too, they learn how to become my own artist manager, what it entails, what contract means as an artist manager. Because one of the things we know they do, if we see person, because managers, they always they passionate.
Yeah.
They forget in our business too. So I started to learn, okay, we need to register a song on Ditto Music, radio registration, all those kind of things. I don't know, say, music needs to be registered, because in Afrobeat, no offense, we'll put song for YouTube. But no, you guys to register each song. You guys to register each music video separately, and ownership rights and all of that. So, with time goes, people now start to understand, say, I bet I say this girl sabi her work. Because they understand, say, this one don't submit for MTV, Trace TV. And that time I was like 17. So it was like, this Molly don't
they do things.
Small things. So when they now say my artists just they do Holland, Denmark, they're like, how come? So me, I speak Dutch as well. So they raised me for Belgium too. So that will help me. So because of that, I now let's say how to get sponsors for music video, because that thing is pricey. Very, very pricey. Music videos. How to get sponsors. Okay. Rely on the Nigerian markets to do the strategy and promotion. Rely on over there to get the sponsorship out for my artist. So that's a help also. But like for 5 years, my artist no even hit 1 million.
Hey.
Wow.
No blow.
No blow. Well, looking at this conversation where you don't help us break down, I don't show say you don't really do work. You don't sabi this thing. Yeah, but now looking at the conversation where they talk about and how challenging females they look at, you know, feel say to some extent, this narrative where people get about female in the music or in that entertainment industry being the fact say now some of the women na in cosam, or you feel say now the men just they generalize. You know, feel say women self put hand inside.
Honestly, I think say now all of us they cosam. All of us where they see someone for IG, see what in this one they do. That kind of mentality, they everybody's.
So if you say a face value, na cosam.
Yes, and our mentality also, our African culture and values.
Okay.
So knowing that we get this culture where we say, okay, a woman is meant to be submissive. A woman, she's supposed to stay house, raise children. What do they find outside? What do they find for club? But it's 2022. Every woman needs to provide as well. Every woman needs to work hard. And every woman needs to be good at what they do. And it entails us going outside in that club. And some people, family members, go to say, she don't go outside, or she dey sleep with her artist. Yeah. But not lie.
That narrative will happen well. Because if they see artists, they see female manager. Before you know, one person don't carry belle will not be the man. Just they talk.
But now
it happen. It happen now.
This is why they talk now. Just remind me of something when happened for third baby mama case. For somewhere, we still be manager. But I'm not talking anything.
Okay.
But I want to understand what's in your resolve. What's in push you from the beginning to say now artist management and artist promotion I want to enter. Of all the things where they as a 17-year-old girl.
Yes.
What's make this kind of thing enter your mind? Say now what you want to be this.
I start to they say I want to do acting. I do auditions back then because I did live for London. So it was exciting. I started to do all these small auditions, and one day I go studio. And I met one guy, and he was like, you know, as guys, he was not trying to like touch and all of that sexual harassment, to be honest. And I said to myself, this is not what I want. And actually, wait, who are you? Why can't I not learn what you know? Why can't I not learn the behind the scenes of everything you do? So that me too, I go join you. Like every other woman, whenever enter, they feel enter kind of thing. So that kind of thing motivate me, say, no, I got to learn waiting all these men, sabi. So that if I know the behind the scenes, I can also be part of the people. Like now, for example, a producer in Nigeria, some of them, we know that when they hear this story, if you want to be an actress, it's not everybody.
Yes.
It's not everybody. But if you want to be an actress, you got to do this. But if you meet a female, it kind of helps.
Because she no go they ask you that kind of thing.
It's paving way. Like me, I get daughter. So I they look like if I not do something, maybe say it's challenging and I'm just doing what's just normality for a woman, it doesn't pave way for other generations to come as well. And I love entertainment. I love showbiz. But I also love to learn like the behind the scenes. I was enjoying acting. I was enjoying all of that for fun, but I was like,
you're not fulfilled.
No.
So this one they give you more satisfaction now.
Yes, and every day I learn, and every day because it's challenging. Because as a woman, you did direct men say, you for like event now I do events and artists. You do this, you do that. Men, they don't like it though. They don't like to be told what
So when you
do.
call the shots in, you go headline, you go do this, you go do that.
They're like,
you say, we go do it because they pay us, Abi. No go talk to me anyhow.
But one thing is as well, one of my assistants is a guy, Perry. He's a Ghanaian guy. He's superb. But not every man is like that.
Take that kind of position.
Some men will be like, "Nami own because I own Afrotrapmedia, which is a company that is not really known whether a woman get them or whether a man.
They don't know say the company.
If you Google the company na Afrotrapmedia, no gender. So one of the things is my assistant, for example, now he's very like, I'm the assistant and proud to work. But if now other people where I don't employ in the past, they go say, "Now me start up the company." And I don't start out since 2012. So
wow.
Okay, so the company they into just artist management or being a record label?
Events, artist management. So what do they do now? Like for example, if you're an artist, go help you. My artist is now signed to Warner Brother Belgium.
Wow.
Wow.
That's huge.
Warner Brothers a big one.
Yeah, so we can push you to an extent.
I bet who be this artist, no vex.
That's good.
This is Salifu.
That's
He's
good.
a Ghanaian artist
Ghanaian.
based in Belgium.
Oh, wow.
So Naima use learn work.
But you don't sign it. You don't get any other people. You don't get any other.
Yes, I don't. They work with other people, but I not go put name out there yet. But I don't. They work with other people, but he's my main. He's the face of the brand. So
now as the work when they do now, don't they bring better money now? Because if you know they bring money, you know go follow and work now.
That's true.
Now,
but it's pushing now. Before everybody, which money is ever enough? You have to keep pushing.
Okay, so talking about the challenges of the stereotype, how you they feel when it be say you follow your artist, maybe when I go to discuss, maybe in go show. And then they with and if they say you stand for corner, you're his girlfriend, they for corner, I beg artists come and all those stuff. So how does it make you feel when
they
with that stereotype?
They go look me, this one a young babe. Then my artists go say this is my manager. They will not say so if they want to talk about money matters. Back then I used to have another assistant with my artist, Perry. So we have a whole team, not be only me, they do everything obviously. So Kajasco, sorry my mistake, Kajasco. So instead of me, they can't talk business about money with me. All these guys, they go now go meet my assistant. Say, so how much is it? So they prefer paying him than paying me.
Can you imagine?
Because
so that one they contact and say, now madam be this one.
No, he always says, but at a point you now start letting them have their way because it's business in a way. You cannot be emotional all the time. You have to still realize that everybody they get rights to think how they want to think. You know if you control anybody.
But how does it make you feel? How does it make you feel all that well anyway?
Very disrespected. Especially when you pull off all the promo, all the behind the scene, and then you're on the floor, people are like looking at you like one. And actually I'm a young promoter, so it's like extra challenging because it's like, oh, okay. Like one time, I go tell you one experience where I recently get. I follow DJ call me, say, Themzy, come on. Can you come out to? There's this person in town because they do promotion as well. Come out to network and obviously meet the people. So I was like, okay, let me come out. So as I come out, I follow my DJ friend. Because the guy will bring the artist now, South African artist. The guy will bring everybody don't leave. Now only me and the guy and the artist they for downstairs before the artist go do upstairs performance. The guy say kiss me.
The artist?
No, the manager.
The manager of the artist.
Just kiss me. I say kiss. I don't understand. He say kiss me. Okay, why are you here?
Wow.
That's the challenge of being a female promoter. Wow. Why are you here if you cannot kiss me? I said, excuse you. I don't. For me, it was like no. This one not the real story. The guy I say, me too. I do my shakara. I say, excuse me, I don't need to kiss you. If you want me to go, I can go. Wow. The guy say, okay, go. I stood up and I left. But you know what's funny about that story? One day later or 2 days later, somebody called me say they want booking artists for Turkey.
And now you the
that artist they want book.
They want booking artists for Turkey.
So the manager, communicate with them at that point.
After he say, that day I don't know what happened, but hope you are good.
Something came over him.
Hope you are good,
Now so it be. Something came over him.
That's the challenge if you are a female in the business.